How to fix X or Twitter video playback error. So if you want to fix your X or Twitter video playback error, then first just open up your X application. After opening, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now go with your profile, which will be in the top left corner. Then scroll down a bit, go with settings and support, then tap on settings and privacy. Once you're here, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with accessibility, display, and languages. Now select data usage. Here, you need to make sure that your data saver is turned off. In my case, it's already turned off. Now I need to scroll down a bit and then simply tap on high quality videos and select on cellular and Wi-Fi, which is mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now you can go back and check if the videos are playing. But if it's still not working, then you need to go back to your settings and privacy. Now simply tap on your account, which will be on the top. Then tap on your account information. Now tap on logout, which will be on the bottom. After logging out, you can go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store, whichever device you're using, and go with your search. And here you need to search for X or Twitter. Now, if you have any updates here, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. You can go and log back into your account, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.